Through the International Women Peace Group, we established peace literature training and education for women. Many now serve as peace educators, teaching their neighbors and younger generation that dialogue, not division, is the path forward. Partnership with the National Federation of Women's Clubs of the Philippines strengthen this work, connecting our women to a wider network of peace builders. Women in Kapalong have taken active roles in peace packs, sustained an 8-year commitment to tribal unity, led livelihood cooperatives for family stability, and safeguard indigenous heritage through cultural programs. The women of Kapalong, once silent in the margins, are now pillars of cooperation, solidarity, and inclusive governance. This is the message to the world. When women are educated, empowered, and united, they do not just build communities, they build bridges toward lasting peace. To every woman across the world, I say this: your voice matters, your presence matters, and your leadership is essential in building peace. In Kapalong, transformation happened because women were given the space to live. Women became educators, negotiators, and peace builders, proving that peace is strongest when women are included. And this story is not ours alone. It can belong to every community. When women lead, they lead not only for themselves,